with big plans to go to college in nearby Paducah.
Come on.
She'd also just
fucking
become a
idiot,
new
what are
mom
you
to her
doing?
son Zion.
Fuck me, you fucking idiot.
Not Zion.
This is
Fucking
Jessica's father,
bitch.
Joe, today. He's still a pillar of the community. The former
What the fuck?
The car, he's in my left lane, and the car behind him has just passed him, and he's a grey car, and he's got no lights on. What do?
You just keep driving in front of him, don't get behind him.
Oh, I'm in front of him, all right.
Let him have his own accident.
Yeah, but he's invisible.
Than her mum's. My mum understands completely more than ever. Every time she chats to me, she's like, make sure that man is loved. He deserves better than you.
I've got one, hang on to it.
And we love golf in the family, so it's a given.
Andre has joined us from Pereira. What about you?
That was blatant red light.
Oh, what a lovely way to start our day together. Great music on Smooth FM. Mel Doyle with you, and I've got more music and less talk right after a check of the news and the roads. I'll get back into it with Fleetwood Mac coming up soon.
What the fuck?
But it also says the reduction in the deficit is entirely due to economic factors that are outside the government's
Whoa,
control. It's interesting that, you know, I've been thinking a little bit about this since budget night. On Tuesday night in America, we had a rather hot inflation print, 3.8%. Inflation there has just been nowhere near the 2% target for since basically 2020 or you know, the latter stages of.
Wow.
Fucking go, cunt. Actually go. Like, what are you doing?
No, they have right away.
I swear to God. I swear to fucking God, you actual idiot. Yeah.
Yeah, this is now they have right away, which they should know.
Why are we moving the streets?
Why do we know how to use a four-way
No, I
stop
go.
sign?
You don't go! I go. Holy fucking shit.
People don't know how to do a four-way stop sign.
It's...
Don't get close. You don't know me and you'll never know. Won't get yourself
Fucking idiot.
We'll take you there. Don't get close.
Fuck.
You don't know me and you'll never know.
What the fuck?
I feel like Princess Peach rolls off the.
What the fuck?
Things fall apart and time breaks your heart.
In his mind's eye, Charlie saw Reynolds pitch over the destroyer's gunnel and plummet into the sea. Heat, control, sound, the sound man said. I'm picking up multiple sets of screws, north by northwest. Charlie shook his head to get rid of the memory. Bearing 190, heavy and light screws. Estimated range about 15,000 yards.